Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account, API key, and payment method so requests won't fail. Once authenticated, open the official client or web portal and grant any permissions like microphone or file access. Now you create 1-3 concrete prompts that show desired tone and output format. This guides the model. Make sure to choose a target style and length. By beginning with examples, you reduce trial and error and speed up useful responses. Once done, focus on crafting prompts precisely. State the goal, add constraints, provide examples, and specify expected format so outputs are reliable. Make sure to set temperature between 0 and 1, lower for factual answers, and higher for creative variations, because that controls randomness. You should iterate quickly by changing one variable at a time, evaluating responses, and copying the best prompt into a template. This step-by-step refinement prevents confusion and builds a repeatable. To finish, save working prompt templates and version them with clear tags so you can reuse them later. Also monitor costs, rate limits, and response latency to avoid surprises. Adjust batch size or frequency as needed. If the model's output is off, simplify the prompt, add explicit examples, and reduce the scope so it can focus. Sometimes rephrasing a single sentence fixes the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, shorten the task and provide a single.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.